VidVoicer. And I'm only going to show you what you can do with the main front end product with no upgrades. We do have some really neat upgrades available, but I just want to show you how powerful this tool is even without any of the upgrades. There are two main features I want to point out to you in this demo. We've got the speech converter and the video producer. I'm going to save the best for last, or at least my favorite part for last. We're going to start off with the speech converter. So I'm going to click on that menu and click where it says New Vox. Vox is just our term for voiceover. As you can see here, when you click that, you'll see 17 different voices right off the bat. These are the English US voices. You can sample any voice.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
But you're actually not limited to those 17 voices because we have many languages available, each with their own voices. And in fact, even within the English language, we have many dialects available. So, for example, if we wanted to switch from US to Australian English, let's hear what that might sound like.
I can read any text you type here.
Hear that Australian accent? Or maybe we could go with something quite different like a Nigerian English accent.
I can read any text you type here.
Now, in order to create a voiceover file, all we have to do is either type some text into this text box or copy and paste a document into this text box, and then click one button and it will generate the voiceover, which you can then save as an MP3 file or use with some of the other tools within this platform. You do have a few options like the output volume as well as the speaking rate, anywhere from slow to fast. And you know what? Let's go ahead and show off what this thing is capable of. Instead of just doing an English voiceover, let's go ahead and grab a language that I don't even speak personally. Let's go with German. And I'm going to grab an article. All right, so this is based on a PLR article that I had sitting on my hard drive. I made some tweaks to it just to make it fit for an affiliate promo because I think affiliate promos are a great way to make money with this tool. And this is something that you can do over and over again. And so instead of taking this text in English, I'm going to jump over to Google Translate and just translate it real quick into German. Now, don't send me a bunch of emails saying that Google Translate is not accurate. In fact, Google Translate's been around since 2006, and just imagine how far the technology has come since then. Yes, we know that there are different accents and dialects and slang and things that Google Translate doesn't catch, but a native speaker will at least be able to understand what you are trying to say, especially if one of the languages that you're translating to or from is English, because that's really the language that Google Translate was originally built upon. So let's go ahead and copy that text, jump back over to VidVoicer. I'm just going to do a Control V to paste that text so you can see here it is. There's the German text. And this was for an affiliate promo about weight loss, so we'll call this German weight loss. And then just click the button. And that will bring up a menu. By the way, you can see that only took a few seconds. From here, we could play it. We could do a sample.
Wenn Sie daran interessiert sind, Gewicht zu verlieren, haben Sie vielleicht darüber
So there's the German voiceover that I just created. We could click the download button to download the MP3 file directly to our computer. We could click the, this is an edit tool that we can use to actually merge this voiceover with other voiceovers as well as add background music to it. And we do have background music built into our platform as well. So we've got some really cool tools available for you. And so, you know, just think about some of the things that you could do with an instant voiceover tool like this. You could create audiobooks in various languages, podcasts in various languages, radio ads, and you could even do some freelance work for people who are looking for voiceovers. You know, I recently saw a product launch for a tool for sale in the internet marketing space where they're, you know, making a big deal about how you can, you know, earn money as a freelancer with their voiceover producer. Similar to what ours is, except we have a lot more built into ours, as you're about to see. But basically, they were saying you could hop on a site like Upwork and look for, you know, voiceover, anything, a voice acting freelancer, voiceover artist, voiceover actor. For example, if I click on voice acting freelancer, you can see right now there's 1,291 jobs posted. Now, not all of these would work with our tool. You know, some of them are going to be a little more intricate where you would really need a native speaker, but there are definitely some that would work. You know, you just have to go through and figure out which ones would work for these people that are seeking voiceovers for their projects. And so there's definitely the opportunity to make, you know, anywhere from tens to hundreds of dollars at a time doing freelancer work with this kind of a tool. And then, of course, one of the other main things that you can do with these voiceovers is use them for videos. And in fact, that's why we named this tool VidVoicer, because that's really the primary function, is creating voiceovers for videos. And that opens up a whole nother world of opportunity, because you have sales videos, explainer videos, you know, affiliate promo videos like the one I'm about to make for you, you know, any type of video with a voiceover basically. And then also that opens up the whole freelance market for voiceover videos as well. So I'm going to show you our video creator tool next. So I'm going to click here where it says videos and create video. And we actually have 4 different ways of making instant videos with this tool. And again, that's not even including any of the upgrades. All right, I'm going to save this whiteboard video creator for last because that is my favorite feature in this program. And I'll start by showing you what is perhaps the quickest and easiest way to create an instant video, which is using our keyword search tool. So this promo that I'm making is going to be for a weight loss related product. You know, I just chose sort of not a random niche, but one of the most popular niches on the internet for this demonstration. So we'll go ahead and grab 20 images in the weight loss niche. And you can see it'll load these. If you don't want to use certain ones, you can eliminate those. See how this is kind of a duplicate. I might get rid of that one. This one, this guy doesn't really look like he's weight loss, you know, so you can delete images here and there if you don't want to use all of them. And then go ahead and click Make Images into Video. We'll give it a title. So again, we'll just call this German weight loss promo. And then you can choose the size of your video, anywhere from standard def to 720p to full HD 1080p or Instagram square. So we'll just go with the let's go with HD 720p for the moment. And then how many seconds do you want per image? You can adjust that, how many seconds, and then choose your voiceover file. I'm going to choose this German weight loss voiceover file that I just created and click the button that says upload and process. And it says generating video, please wait. And it is amazing how fast it can generate a simple video like this. All right, so depending on how many images you're using and how long your voiceover is, that could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. This obviously didn't take very long. And so we could click to actually view, and there are some editing features as well that we can do. But I'm going to go ahead and click the back button and just download this to my computer right now, because I'm going to show you a quick way to monetize something like this. I'm going to go ahead and click download. You know what? The other thing I should have done, actually just play it for you. So you can go preview it just to see what it looks like.
Wenn Sie daran interessiert sind, Gewicht zu verlieren,
so you can see
haben
what
Sie
it
vielleicht
did was it took those images and created a slideshow video along with that voiceover file that we had previously created. Okay, and so that was that German voiceover.